morning to all of you. Myself Dinesh Kumar from RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus Karnal. Today I am going to discuss about how to handle difficult situation. How to handle difficult situation. While handling guest complaint in hotels or restaurant, must remember these basic points. First one, listen to guest complaint carefully. Express your incomes to help. Key eye contact. Second one, understand the matter. Never argue or interpret when guest is still explaining. Wait until he or she finished. Third point, analyze the matter wisely. And fourth point, apologize the guest with good reason, then handle the request in priority if able, even if the complaint is not concerned your section. Take a action until matter is completed. Pass over the information to the HOD, GM, EAM immediately if it is out of your capability. Try to make guests feel very comfortable while waiting and allow time for the guest to cool down. When you see the guest at later time, greet him and ask if everything is fine. Log in, follow up, book for your colleagues to be aware of the situation. How to handle intoxicated guest. Whispers talk personally to persuade him out of the party. Do not talk facing the people. Inform him that he is disturbing the party. Offer him your service. If he does not agree, inform the host. As in the hotel, inform the duty manager. How to handle guest visitor. Screen the visitor in a polite manner if there is advance information already from the guest. Escort the visitor to the guest room. If not, request the visitors to go with you at the front desk and establish the region for the visit. Offer your help and ask the visitor's name. Inform the guest by phone. Announce the name of the visitor. If the guest agree to see his visitor, escort the visitor to the guest room. When they both meet, offer some services such as coffee or tea service. So thank you to all of you. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt or query, please text me at dis@rpiit.com.